Hello, and welcome to our part 2 in our series of the Dutch Haus, a restaurant in Columbiana, Ohio. This is one of Jim's favorite local restaurants from where he lived growing up. We have never been here for breakfast. We've been here plenty of times for lunch and dinner, but this is our first time having breakfast. We have heard how wonderful the breakfast buffet is, so we thought when we got up this morning, let's take a ride up and do a day trip up to Ohio. So here we are. And here is their breakfast menu. You can pause if you like to look over the prices. Everything was pretty reasonable. We did get the buffet and we really enjoyed it. And here we are at the buffet. Everything was fresh and full. The eggs, I loved the little apple fritters. They had corn fritters, hash browns. The sausage was really good, as were the desserts. I honestly didn't try the fruit, but it did look really good. They had all these different juices you could choose. The pastries here are top notch. I really did like the sausage. It wasn't too salty. And here they had sausage gravy and oatmeal and their homemade biscuits. Jim loved the bacon. After we were done eating, I went to go check out all the fall decor they put out. I really love these metal signs. They're so pretty. They can be a little bit pricey, especially the larger ones, but they are really cute. I would love to have some for my yard. I definitely like to come back up before the holiday. My nephew, even though we live in Stiller country, we're Yinzers. My husband's not, but me and my family are. But my nephew, he has turned into a Brownies fan, so which there's nothing wrong with that, but he is a Cleveland Browns fan. So they had some cute brown stuff up here, so I'd definitely like to come back up and purchase some things for him for his Christmas stocking. He's in college now. He is kind of hard to buy for. You know how that is when I get older. It makes me sad some days. We like to pick on him for the brown stuff, but it's all in fun. I'm so ready for fall. This heat this summer has just been too killer for me. How about y'all? I really did like all that cardinal stuff. Very pretty. I'm just ready for fall weather and pumpkin spice and all that kind of stuff. I liked all these hand towels. I thought they were so pretty. You know, the kind you hang and you don't want anybody to touch them. Don't use my pretty hand towels. Are you all like that? Comment below. These were cute. We have a camper, so I tend to overbuy camper stuff, but that pot holder was super cute. I thought these would be really cute for Thanksgiving. I like the turkey. I like all these little football decor. I'm ready for football season. These are super cute. I want to get one for everybody. I thought the little dog stuff was really cute. I guess Sophie liked it too, as you can hear her in the background with her little barks. She's waiting for her mailman boyfriend. I did like all this little cute cat stuff and doggy stuff. My niece has 3 cats, and her boyfriend just bought their first home. And I just think some of these things would be cute for her for Christmas also. I like little coffee bar decor. I should get her the crazy cat lady. I thought that one was super cute actually. The cats don't care if you're crazy. These popcorn candles smelled so good. I almost got one, but Jim burns candles so fast. It would have been gone in one night, so I put it back. But it did smell wonderful. If you like butter popcorn, it definitely smelled really good. I think they're coming up, but they have these beautiful tea kettles. I love tea kettles. It was quite pricey, but they were so cute. Here they come now. I love that strawberry one. So cute. Hopefully I'll be able to get these for Kaylee soon. That's my niece. Here's just some more little football things. I definitely want to come back up. I wish I would have got those. Do y'all hate that? Like, after you think about it, you're like, I should have really got those. They'll probably be gone by the time we go back up. Hopefully they have plenty of them. I like the Ohio State boy too. Cute back to school stuff. Can't believe the kiddos will be back in school. And here we are with their bakery specialties for the week on their tables. Those little hamburgers were so cute. Lady Locks look good. I love their sugar cookies. The only thing we took home this day, we're trying to watch our sweets and stuff, is Jim has to go home with chocolate chip cookies. So we did purchase chocolate chip cookies. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.